Now I am talking about the two important tools in Navisworks manage append and merge. If I try to append any file, then you can see the file in selection tree, and if I try to again append the same file with same geometry, then you can see the two files open here, this one and this one, although their geometry are same. Now I am deleting the overlapping file and try to merge that file. Now you can see that file is not opened in this file because two NWCs are same in geometry, so they are merged here. This is the difference between merge and append. If you want to change the background color, then go to view and background. From here you can change the mode plane to graduate, you can change the top color and bottom color also, and you can change the mode as horizon, or you can change it as plane. This way you can change background color. Go to the viewpoint and mode. From here we can change the mode as full render or shaded or wireframe, okay, or hidden line. You can change the lightening also. This is full light, this is lightening, scene lights, headlight, this is headlight, and this is no light. You can change the perspective view to orthographic view. This is orthographic view. If you want to hide any 3D element, then select the 3D element and go to home and hide, or Control H, select and Control H. In this way you can hide 3D element, and for unhide, select unhide all. Okay. Now if you select any 3D element and then hide unselected, then the unselected all elements should be hide from the model. And again click hide unselected, then the whole 3D models come back again. Now I am talking about move, rotate and scale toolbar. Select any 3D element, go to item tools, and here you can see move, rotate and scale. Select move and click on the green, blue or red arrows. You can see the element is moving. Okay. Now click on the 3D element and go to rotate and click on the this arc portion. You can see the element is rotating. You can rotate in other way also, or this way. Okay. Again click on the 3D element, go to item tool and scale, and click on the this triangular portion for scaling. In this way you can rotate, you can move or you can scale any element in Navisworks. You can find any element by find toolbar. Go to home and find items. Here in category you can select category, item, element. A lot of option here to select. So if you select element, then you can select activity ID or area or elevation, everything you can select here. So if I select text and condition equal and the value RP2, and find next. Then you can see the RP2 text is highlighted in the model. Then if you change the category as item and property as name or something, condition equal floor, and find fast, you can see the slab selected in 3D. Then you can select the next one by find next. In this way, you can find and select any element in 3D. You can open different tools by clicking on View and Windows, and from here you can open any windows. So if I click on Set, then the Set window will open. Now I want to create a set for PR RP1. So first select all the list of RP1 PR and go to set, right click and save selection. Given name RP1. The foundation and right click on set and save selection. Put a name FTN foundation for RP1. Okay. If you select RP1, it will be selected. So in this way you can create sets. Now I am talking about appearance profiler. Go to View and select appearance profiler. You can see you can create appearance profiler by property or by set. First of all, I am creating appearance profiler by set. Select the set RP1 and test selection, and now we can change the color and transparency also, and now add. Again select foundation of RP1, test selection, change the color as cyan and change transparency, add. And now go to run. Now you can see the appearance profiler active in the model. You can do the same by property also. Category, put element, property, you can write category, equal, and close. Now test run. You can see the floors selected. Change the color. And add. Now run. In this way you can create appearance profiler. Now I am talking about how to use sectioning. Go to viewport and enable sectioning. Here you can see you can adjust your section plane by using alignment, top, bottom, front, left, right, or you can rotate the section arrow in this way, or you can move this section arrow in this way. In this way you can control your section plane. So from here you can see the section plane alignment and the bridges alignment are not in the same angle. So you can rotate slightly the section plane according to your bridge alignment. Okay. Now again you can move and you can change the plane as front. Now you need to rotate the section arrows. Okay, fine. In this way you can use sectioning. Or you can use, instead of section planes, boxes also. This is called section box. In this way you can use the section box also. Now I am talking about how to review the model and how to create review report or comment sheet in Navisworks. Go to review and you can measure any height or distance. If you hovered any element, then you can see you can change your plane. If you want to measure the height, you can put a cloud mark. First you can change the color, black to red. Okay. Now we can put text also. Text color, you can change the text color also. And you can save it as a view points. Okay. Now I am showing how to create walkthrough in Navisworks Manage. Go to viewpoint and walk. Here you can select fly also, and here you can select collision, gravity, crouch or third person. Create walkthrough by press left bottom and save the viewpoints. Again create walkthrough and save viewpoint. Again right click on save viewpoints and add animation. You can change the name. Okay. Now select all the viewpoints and drag and drop in walkthrough animation. Now go to animation and select the walkthrough animation, and this is play. In this way you can create walkthrough animation. You can export this animation by export animation tab, and here select current animation. Here is another option for timeliner simulation also, and current animators scene also. Here render should be viewport, and format you can change the format as JPG for picture, JPG and PNG for image, and AVI for video, and other option are okay. You can change the width and height also. Okay, and I'll save this in desktop. You can change the name also. Okay, here is the file. This is the output of walkthrough animation. For quantity takeoff of 3D model in Navisworks, go to Home, Quantification. Now go to Project Setup and select a project setup. So I will select Uniformat project setup. Next, metric. Next, finish. This is Uniformat project setup. If I want to quantification of slab, then select the slab, go to selection tree, and family type is floor. Okay, then go to model takeoff, and take off to new catalog item. Okay. Then select next slab and family type floor, fine, and model take off to wiring code. And in this way select the next slab, model take off, wiring code, slab take off, wiring code. Now go to export and export quantities to Excel. Okay. You can see in the Excel sheet all the quantification parameter shows here, area, volume, etc. In this way you can quantification any 3D element in Navisworks. I am showing how to create 4D timeliner simulation in Navisworks Manage. Go to Home and Timeliner. Now append okay. This is a CSV file which I want to link with 3D model. Okay. You see the first row, activity ID, activity name, task name, plan start, plan finish, actual start, actual finish. Okay. Now go to Navisworks and Timeliner, data source, add CSV import. Select the file and here you can match the task name as activity name, display ID as activity ID, task type as task type, synchronize ID as synchronize ID, and plan date as plan start, plan end date as plan finish, actual start date as actual start, and actual end date is actual finish. Okay. Now okay. Select and right click, rebuild task. Go to task, then you can find all the tasks rebuilt here. Now go to auto attach using rules and create a new rule. V2 extension. Select attach items to tasks by category and from here name should be display ID and category name should be element and property name activity ID. Okay. Select the rule and apply the rule. Now you can find all the activities attached. In this way, you can attach your all activities automatically. Now go to configure and here you can change the appearance. Construct, this is our appearance and here start appearance green 90% transferred, end appearance model appearance I can change it to green and others are fine. Okay, then go to simulate and play. Okay, fine. So in this way you can create simulation from timeliner. Now you can export this simulation from export animation and from here from sources you can select timeliner simulation, others are okay. I want to create video format, so Windows AVI will be fine and others are okay. Okay. Now I save the video. In desktop. This is the video output of timeliner simulation.